Hey designers, welcome. I hope you're doing well today. So I wanted to share a little bit of spring home decor inspiration. I went ahead and revamped my coffee table for spring. I went with a black and white theme with a pop of greenery. Now I got this foliage from a floral for $36. It's named the Evergreen Fern Foliage. I love how elegant it looks. And then this vase I got from Pottery Barn for $37. It was on sale and also back order. It took a while to get here, but I love the shape of this vase and how simple it is. And then this antler I got from Pottery Barn for $32 back in winter. I did spray it black, but now it's chipping. I just need to respray it again. And then this tray I got from Amazon. It's the concrete tray for $39. I love the matte finish on this tray. And then of course, these two candle holders I got from Home Goods. One is for $14.99 and the smaller one is $12.99. I prefer not to place any candles inside because it kind of obstruct the clarity of the candle holders. I prefer to keep it clear to kind of give texture to this space. But I really love how simple and elegant it came out for spring. I hope you guys are inspired by my coffee table and you're bringing out all your decor for spring. So up next is the other room, the other room in my home. I'm gonna show you guys what I've done so far in this room. So this is my beauty / office space. I went with a black and white theme with a pop of gold just to keep this space classy and elegant. Now I created this gallery wall on this section of the room. I wanted something a little bit, sophisticated. So I went with this black and white theme. And then these frames I got from Target. The printed frame art I got from Wayfair. But I love the look of this wall. Very simple. And then over here I got my Vera armchair from Wayfair. I love this sitting chair. It's very comfortable, very sturdy. If you're looking for a sitting chair, this is the perfect chair. It also comes with gold or chrome legs. I decided to use my gold legs, but you do have the option of switching them out. But I love this chair. It is so comfortable. And then I placed my willow sticks here in the back just to have some texture in that space. And now this accent table, I got this accent table from Target. I was super surprised to find this accent table at Target for $56. Such a steal. I highly recommend this accent table. It's called the Glass Go accent table. I believe I mentioned that it's metal, it's very sturdy. It kind of gives that industrial feel, but it's not overwhelming. It also comes as a console table. I was gonna put it here, but I think it would have obstructed my gallery wall. So I decided to go ahead and use the accent table instead. I really like the way the space looks. I love the texture of it, the contrast of the black and white with the grass weave textured wallpaper. So up next, I'm going to decorate the space just to show you guys what I've done so far and just to give you some home decor inspiration. So this is the vase and floral arrangement I'm using in this space. I love the brass look of this vase. It's actually glass. It's not like a metal vase. I got this from Z Gallery back in April, maybe for about $30. And those olive branches I got from Amazon for $19.99. They're out of stock right now. I'm just waiting them to restock so I can add a little bit more branches. It looks a little bit scarce, but right now I'm loving the way it looks. So these perfume bottles I got from Z Gallery. Well, the larger perfume bottle I got from Z Gallery for about $80. It was on sale. But I love the contrast of the brass and the crystal. It adds a nice texture to the space. And then the smaller perfume bottles I got from Home Goods. But I really love how this is coming together. It is just a great accent table. I really love this table, you guys. On the lower shelf, I decided to place the Studio McGee brass knots. Now, I love the way the brass pop on this black accent table. It gives that contrast that I'm looking for. But overall, I love this space. It's so simple, so elegant, classy, modern, everything put together. So if you're looking for some home decor inspiration for your office slash beauty room, any space in your home, I hope that this gives you some inspiration to decorate your space. So if you're looking for some black and white with a little bit of brass accent inspiration, I hope this is helpful. Now I will probably add a throw and then another accent pillow just to pull the space together a little bit more. I almost forgot to mention my new vanity tray I purchased for my perfume bottles. I wanted something that's very elegant and that could bring out some of the accent colors in the space. So I decided to go with this tray. I got it from Amazon for about $37. Now the black area is glass, and then of course the outside is like a brass finish, but they did mail it separately. Some people complain about the workmanship. I'm a simple girl. I like it. My perfume bottles look great on this area. So if you're looking for a nice, simple, elegant tray with maybe a black accent color on there, I highly recommend this. You will like it. But I'm really liking that tray and how the space is coming together. Of course, like I said, I will order some more olive branches for this vase because it does look a little bare. So I hope you guys are inspired by this video. I hope you're able to gather some home decor ideas. I really love how my space is coming together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I hope to see you guys soon.